So hey guys, welcome back. And today I installed Color Switch, and I'm gonna install some games because Color Switch is it's like so much. It takes like so much megabytes, and I just install it. So I could install some other games. So let me see. What is that? This is like Luke. He just looks like Luke, guys. He looks like Luke. Luke just came because I called his name. Oh my god, it looks like Luke. So I want to install Snapchat, but I don't want that at the same time. Gangster Vegas, oh no. Balloons Monkey, what's that game? Let me see that. Balloons game. Let me watch a video. Okay, that was so much. Okay. Let's go. And I wanna go here and put BTD5. What's that? Is that a temple? It looks good. Let's see Balloon City 2. Cause 2 is the best. It's not better than 1, but look at that. Not cool. Not cool. Not cool. What is there? Let's see some other games. What did I have other games? So I had that game, and I was like a legend. I had that. I had a legend. I had Ronaldo. I had everything you want. I had Pelé. None of them. Yeah, so I'm about to install it. Let's go up there. So let's go back here, and the heart quiz is good actually. So it's installing. See, it's free now because I installed it. Duh. You know what? I'm gonna install now. Do you see that green app? So it's called Angry Gran. Do you want to see what's the images of it? Do you want to install it? Do you want to end this video? Yeah. So guys, if you like that video, I'll be opening packs in another video. And I'll be playing Angry Gran in another video. So guys, if you like that video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.